Are you looking for a perfect family-friendly boat that incorporates a lot of weight with a good amount of horsepower? This is the AV36, an Aviara, and she is an outboard, and we have here at MarineMax St. Petersburg. My name is Jack Neely. Let me take you aboard. Starting in the aft position of this Aviara 36, you'll notice that we have a ton of room. I say it a lot, and Aviara does it really well. Here we have a ton of seats. We've got 3 wide bench seats that actually have reversible backrests. So if you guys were staring out at the kids out at the sandbar, you can have a little bit more of a vantage point. But I've got one more thing to note, that the Aviara does something great with their podium seats. So here we actually have seats that will raise up, giving you another vantage point. Just a really cool touch that Aviara does to stuff more people in the aft portion of the boat while you guys are enjoying the raise. As we make our way into the boat, you'll notice that down here we do have a very large compartment. This is for all of your fender storage. Aviara does a great job with that, because whenever I'm out on the water, it's either taking up a fish box or, down in the cabin. We have a designated spot for your fenders now, which is an awesome touch. Follow me as we actually make our way into the largest social zone of this 36 Aviara. We've got a ton of seating again. With this being an amazing day boat, the hosting opportunity here is immaculate. And not only is the hosting opportunity great, we actually have a very seamless design in this boat. A super large T-top, you've got your speaker covers, giving you that seamless design. And then we have an awesome prep station over here. You've got a large Kenyan grill. This is an electric grill. We've got a super large sink with designated slots for your champagne or wine. You've got a very large refrigerator down low. You've got a trash receptacle over here and some more storage over here. Once we make our way a little bit further forward, you'll see that this is where the captain is, and this is where all the party happens. The Aviara does a great job with making the dash very seamless. Over here is your Aviara screen. This is strictly an Aviara staple. Everything that you need with the boat in the sense of your electric sure shade that extends over the aft portion of the boat, all the lights, speakers, your engine compartment, all of those gadgets are integrated to this screen. Here in the middle we have our Simrad MFD, and this is of course all of your charts, all of your fuel readings, your speed, everything that a captain needs to know. You got your electric binnacle and of course your joystick. With these twin Mercury V10s, 400s, this boat cruises really, really nice with how heavy she is, and those V10s are actually super quiet. Back onto the joystick though, with them being twins, you're actually able to walk this boat completely sideways with all of a push of a button. It doesn't matter if you guys are an experienced captain or just new to boating. That makes it super easy for us to say, you guys are good to go out on the water. Before we make our way up into the bow, I actually wanted to show you guys this AV36 is equipped with a large cabin. We've got a nice area for you guys to get out of the sun, and this is a generator boat, so you will have air conditioning down low. And then off to your starboard side, you guys will actually have a large head. And not to forget, we've got a large TV down low as well. Making our way to the bow, we've got an extremely large walkway, and not to mention when we're going through, we have a very large windshield that can close up for those rough days if you guys wanted to hide out of the rain, wind, whatever. And like I said before, on the Aviara 40, there are a ton of seats in these boats. And up here on the bow, it has a deep ergonomical design so that when you guys are in those rough waters, you're not worrying as the captain that you're throwing people up in the bow off their seats. With this Aviara as well, she's a heavy boat like I've mentioned before. She is equipped with a windlass anchoring system. So all of a push a button at the helm or as a remote over here. Thank you for joining me on the walkthrough of this Aviara 36. We are down here at MarineMax St. Petersburg. She is ready to get out on the water. My name is Jack Neely. Come on down, check her out.